In this chapter, I will share the value of selling RC parts on eBay and why you should consider starting a business doing it. First of all, this is a market that exploded during the pandemic years when many of us were ordered to stay home and shelter in place, leaving us looking for something to do with our time. The RC hobby was a natural conclusion for many. The recent improvements in performance hooked many adults with money to spend, who had either participated in their younger years, or wished they could, but were priced out of the hobby. The nature of the hobby and often what makes it unaffordable for many is the expense of replacement parts. The necessity to buy parts is quite often and upgraded parts are equally in demand. This demand makes selling RC parts on eBay a viable, and even extremely profitable business. A business that holds an opportunity that could change your life. The niche is a low to moderate competition level industry because many have the false belief they cannot compete with the manufacturer or established companies, which simply isn't true. Especially when you learn the secret tactic for acquiring parts at a fraction of the price. This business framework I will teach you in the coming chapters will create a much larger profit margin than your competitors. In my experience, a large segment of the hobbyist RC enthusiast consumer-based shops on eBay, providing you a ready-made market of hungry buyers you need only supply with the parts they need and want at the right price. The availability of both new and used parts in one place is a large contributing factor, as well as the numerous small manufacturing companies and distributors from around the world that are on the platform draw a great customer base for your business. eBay is not my only suggestion for sales platforms you will want to use, but it is the primary. I suggest you take the time to learn how to properly format your posting and the various parts that need to be done well to have your items selling like limited edition collectibles and feel truly comfortable listing and managing your items. One characteristic about eBay that I think benefits this business model is the ability to sell in different formats. My personal favorite, as a buy now option, or an auction, or even combine products as a package, is an example of the flexibility of the platform. You can also use the postings to create items in your website store, but more about that in a later chapter. For now, just understand that eBay is a powerful platform reaching millions of users who are looking specifically to spend money on an item, and that is the best traffic you can find for the parts you want to sell. It doesn't cost you anything, which is incredible. I will talk in a later chapter about how to get eBay to promote your products over other users without spending anything more. This is a pro tactic that can change everything for your RC parts store. Just one simple trick can create endless sales. In the next chapter, I will be discussing the various ways you might want to sell parts on eBay, and connect them to your online storefront or brick and mortar business.